Hey there folks, welcome to the Auto Universe. Now folks, if you have seen those videos or footage of the Honda Civic versus the Nissan Sentra crashing against the wall, both of those cars looks terrible after the crash. But that isn't going to be enough to determine which one is better, which is why we are going to give you the analysis of those crash tests. But before we jump into the analysis, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Now, let's just get right into the analysis folks. The Civic is a really popular car among youngsters. It's almost becoming everybody's first car because it's just cheap, reliable, practical, and surprisingly quite fun to drive. But if I may say, the Honda Civic today just get matured. With a new turbo stuck in the engine, finally, the Honda Civic is not the race boy car that we used to know, which has its upper and downside. And of course, we can't talk about the Honda Civic without talking about the Nissan Sentra. The Nissan Sentra has always been known as just a car, and it remains that way today. Yes, it got some tweaks from today's safety technology, but you can't really hide that generic car design. It's not bad, it's just how it is, and nobody seems to be bothered about it, so we move on. As usual, we also use the same crash test report from the IIHS organizations, starting from the top. As you can see here folks, both of these cars earns a good score overall in crashworthiness. And then on the crash avoidance and mitigations, on the headlight section, surprisingly, the Honda Civic only earns a poor score, while the Nissan Sentra earns an acceptable score. That brought us to the conclusion. The conclusion is the Honda Civic almost go toe-to-toe with the Nissan Sentra. It practically earns almost an identical score. But the poor score in the headlight sections of crash avoidance and mitigation system doesn't really help the Civic at all. Yes, the Civic earns a superior score in the standard front crash prevention system, but again, that poor score isn't really going to help at all. So there you have it folks, the Honda Civic versus the Nissan Sentra. If you have requests on any car that you want to see the comparison of, let me know by leaving a comment down below. See ya folks!